Yeah, okay. Let us. Yeah, good morning. Very good morning. Stay in a class. Don't join, say good morning and leave. Be in class. Say, stay in class is important. So all should stay in the class. No one should go. So full day, full class, full time you have to be in a class. So far only 16 member has joined and 17 member join fast and stay in the class. Today we are going to discuss important thing and that will be very much important from the point of exam view. That will be important. Now I started going, so it is not good to leave the class. You are leaving the class is not good. Okay, so I hope now I will be, I think I am audible to everyone. Total 18 members has joined, but this attendance should be required, and if your attendance will be more, then we will start our today discussion, which is important. Our important discussion about median mode was going, and we have to again further start about these discussions. So far only 20 members have joined, and out of that few are leaving the class. So you should stay in the class, not to say good morning and get attendance and go. It's not good. I hope everyone will join first. Okay. One side increasing, another side decreasing, increasing, decreasing. Okay, let us start our discussion. Our discussion was about mode, and what is called mode of a given data. Just try to understand. If I am telling you we have to find suppose we have a data like our observation is like this. Here we have interval, suppose 10 to 20, 20 to 30, 30 to 40, and so on. 40, then 40 to 50, 50 to 60. One second, let me check whether everything is going correct. Yeah, only 18 members are in the group. Okay, so anyway, we had seen how to find. Echo sound is coming. 1 second. Now fine. So here we have a class, and here our frequency will be given. Yesterday I have discussed about the weighted mean. The last class we have seen weighted mean, and now we see about the mode we have discussed, I think so. Our mode was, what was our mode? Mode was maximum number of repetitions, right? Okay, anyway, suppose we have a data x value. This is given x value, and this is given frequency. Frequency is given, suppose 10, 12, 13, 14, 15, and I want to find its mode. What is the meaning of mode? We have already known. We have already seen that. Now we need to find the mode of this data. How to find the mode? For finding the mode, we are unable to identify which number is the mode. What is the modal class? So first of all, we have seen how to find a modal class. We know how to find a modal class. Modal class means the frequency in given data which have a highest frequency. That class is called modal class. So if you see here, frequency 10, 12, 13, 14, 15. So maximum frequency is here. Am I right? So one more data I want to write here, 60 to 70, and here let's say I am writing 40 or 12. 12 is also given 10. No problem, if there is a repetition, there is no problem. And here I want to tell you that this class is a modal class. Reason behind it, this is a highest frequency in given data. Given data means highest frequency means value is a maximum in this table. This value is 10, 12, 13, 14, 15 and 10. So this entire value 15 is our maximum value. So this class will be called modal class. This class will be called modal class. If it is a modal class, then mode formula we can find a mode. You should know that this is the modal class. The class length I want, class length, class height, class duration, class width means higher limit minus lower limit, upper limit minus lower limit. This is 60 minus 50, that is 10. So I can write here height of the class will be h. H will be higher value minus lower value. 60 minus 50, that will be 10. Am I right? And then this is called lower limit. L value, lower limit is 50. L means lower limit its value is 50. Why? Because this is an interval. In this interval, this is a lower value, so this will be called lower limit. This is upper value, this is called upper limit. This is called upper limit. So one is a another is upper limit. Okay, so we have class length. Class length is 60 minus 50, that is 10. Lower limit is 10. So here we have one formula, L plus F1 minus F0, let me write, F0 minus F1 divided by 2 into F0 minus F1 minus F2 into H. Now what is this? What is this? Now try to understand. Here L value is lower limit. Lower limit. What is F0? F0 is frequency. Which frequency? Here 3 frequency we are using, 1, 2, 3. So which frequency? This is a frequency of model class. Model class. Frequency of model class. Next is F1. What is F1? F1 means which is next frequency, means model class after the next frequency is called F1. F1 is next frequency and F2 is before frequency. What is before, what is next? You see, this is the model class. So before the model class, this is the class and its frequency will be called before frequency. This is the model class, this is the next frequency, this is the next class, so this will be called next frequency class and its frequency will be called next frequency. So this is model class, before class, after class. The same thing here. So what is the mode value? Mode value is L plus F0 minus F1 divided by 2 into F0 minus F1 minus F0 into H. Once again you try to understand the meaning of this formula. What is this? F0 minus F1, difference of this minus this, higher number minus lower number, this difference. And this can be written as, once again I want to rough some space. I think you have copied this, you copy it. I hope you had copy. Here M we was finding, that was L plus F0 minus F1 by 2 into F0 minus F1 minus F2 into H. This was our formula. Achha, here what is L? L means lower value of lower limit of the frequency. Achha, once again I want to explore this one. So this you can see F0 minus F1 divided by, this can be written as F0 minus F1, 2 time F0, 2 time of F0 I am writing, again F0 minus F2. See, F0 2 time, F0 2 time minus F1 minus F2 and into height H, into height. Again you try to understand, L is what? Lower limit of this model class. Model class lower limit is 50. I can substitute here value 50. Plus, again you try to understand, F1 minus F0 minus F1. F0 is this minus previous, this minus next, this minus previous, this minus next. This minus previous is 1, this minus next is 5. So we are writing here, this is previous we are getting 1 divided by, this is again f minus f naught, that means same to same here, plus next this minus this is 5 into height is 10. See, height we have calculated here, h 10. So we are getting 50 plus 10 by 6, this is 5 by 3. So you are getting 50 plus 5 by 3. This is the answer. If you add this, you will get 155 by 3. This is m. This is what? M. So what is here? This formula is important. This formula, and understand this formula. What we need to do first, before, then next, and we have to write the same thing denominator and next here. Again I want to explain this with another example. Let us discuss with another example. First you copy this. I hope you have copied. I hope you had copied. All left. Everyone left. Why so? So most probably tomorrow this chapter will be completed. Today, if possible, I will take extra class and I will try to complete this chapter. Okay, suppose I am giving you homework. Question is same, find m. Find m. What is here? Data is given 10 to 15, 15 to 20, 20 to 25, 25 to 30, 30 to 35. Here is, this is frequency, this is x, this is xi, and here is a frequency, let's say 5, 10, 12, 9, 12, 10. So this is a frequency, and you have to find mean. We have to find mean as well as m, both. You have to find the mean also, m also. For finding this value, you know how to find this. This is your homework. And I think today we are already late, too much late. So we should stop here and we will meet next class. Thank you. Now you can leave.